So threading, right, you put in your thread this way, the spool cap. You follow the straight line.
Yeah.
So just now, bobbin winding is the dotted line, blue color. Now is the black color, straight line. 1, 2, here 2, go down 3, then come up 4, then 5, right to left. Okay, so you see this one is hooked. Then go down 6. Okay, then here diagram shows 7. So you just follow 7 here. Okay, you can put down the presser foot. Right hand taking the thread, left hand pushing down the threader. So to make your threading easier, put your thread nearing to the hook all the way down and then horizontal in before the needle. So you see my right hand actually tilt out a bit and slowly let it go. So you will see the loop from the back. Use a tweezer or something sharp to remove the loop, and then your threading is done.